Are you as picky as I am when it comes to the quality of yarn that you use for your knitting or crochet projects? I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been using this amazingly soft Baby Alpaca yarn from eKushi. This has been such a delight to work with. I knitted a pair of fingerless gloves with them, and I'm just getting back into knitting, so I actually had to rip out my project like 5 times. And so I'm so appreciative that this yarn is strong. Even though I really had to pull on it and strain to get those stitches out, this did not fray, it didn't break, and it kept looking really good. It didn't pill or anything like that. This yarn is very comfortable on your skin. It's not itchy. It just feels so buttery soft. You're going to love it. I got the lion's blue color. This is a stunningly bright, almost like a peacock blue. I get a ton of compliments on it. This is DK weight or a number 3 yarn, and I would say that's true to size. It worked perfectly for the pattern that called for DK yarn. I got the 3-pack, and the color between the skeins is very consistent. I would absolutely use them again, and that's my point of view.